Hi, I'm Kris Oldland. I'm the Editor-in-Chief of Field Service News, and I'm here reporting live at the Field Service Management Expo. And I'm here with Jeremy Squire from FLS Fastly and Smart. Jeremy, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Now, Jeremy, I wanted to talk to you today about best of breed versus the platform, because we're talking an awful lot these days about the rise and the return of the platform. People like IFS, people like Microsoft have entered the market. There's a lot of talk about end-to-end solutions. As a best-of-breed scheduling provider, why should we still be looking at best-of-breed solutions?
Okay. First of all, Chris, I was just reminiscing. I've been to this event 15 years now, so it's a little bit smaller than it used to be, but still vibrant. I've worked with this type of technology for a long time.
Sure.
And absolutely, the value of best-of-breed is when it fits the requirement. So I always say horses for courses. So if you can go to a ERP or a service management provider and their technology fits your need because you don't need truly optimized routing, then fine. However, in my experience, there's a dramatic amount of benefit to be had from choosing the right technology for your course. And there's nothing that I'm aware of that gives you more value in field service than optimizing the time of your resources. And if we could save, compared to a built-in scheduling solution which might come from your service management provider, if we could save you 30% of your time in a day, which is maybe one of your driving time, and maybe half of your day is driving, that's a lot of benefit. And I won't do a Diane Abbott calculation, but if we can help you achieve an extra 10-20% of productivity, then the value is enormous. So if we don't give you that value, then we'd be the first to say this is not the right technology for you. But with this, you can both plan better and react better during the day.
And you mentioned for certain companies, optimized is right, for certain perhaps not. What is the clear, distinct kind of advantage of an optimized dynamic scheduling unit over the kind of your vanilla flavored scheduling that you would have in many FSM systems? And is it surely based around the numbers, Jeremy? Is it, if you've got a huge mobile workforce, you should be looking at a fully optimized solution, or is there other layers, complexities in that?
It's not always about large numbers. There does tend to be an entry point, but it's about choices. So if you have no choice, because this person is the only one that can do this type of task in the whole country, then we're not going to get as much value than when you've got a choice of 10 people. And perhaps that choice of 10 people is internal resources, which you've already bought and paid for, versus using contractors. And we can therefore, and perhaps if you have a contractor and you use them once in a day, then you pay for the whole day. And we can take that type of role in order to get the best value for you as a company.
And one final question on this, specifically looking at this best of breed conversation that's going on. With regards to best of breed, obviously the big shout out for the kind of the platform approach is the ease of data moving from one silo to another. Is the onus on you as a best of breed provider to make sure that you can integrate into any of the wider systems? And is that a challenge in today's market where APIs are much more prevalent and data does tend to move that much easier, or is it still a challenge?
I think integration is always the key aspect of any project like this. And we go to the market and we look to partner with people where they have perhaps an allocation rules or semi-assisted scheduling type of technology, so that they're able to offer their customers something more. And we spend a lot of our time working with those types of companies that you see here today.
Yeah.
But also the bigger companies, SAP and Microsoft, we've already formed partnerships where we have pre-built integration. And as an example, we went live with an SAP customer recently where our total effort for the integration to their unique needs was about 10 days.
Okay.
And I know that historically, this could be a very big project.
Yeah.
And so we focus on particular technologies where we feel we're going to partner on a regular basis or need to work together. But it is absolutely key.
Perfect. Jeremy Squire, thank you very much.